Hey, welcome to the Beers Jack of Barbecue. Check out the striped bass we cooked on the SNS Kettle. I know that's something you don't hear from us a lot, that we're cooking some fish, but my son-in-law hunts, fishes, does all kinds of things. So he often goes out in the ocean at different times of the year. I want to say it's April, I want to say September, I'm not sure on that second one, but I know he catches in the ocean and gets striped bass. He always saves some fillets for us, so we've got asked a bunch of times about cooking seafood. Jack's not a big fish person. I do like it, so figured why not show it. Hit it about an hour or so ago with Seasonings Multi Tool. Just like an ultimate blend type scenario. Used it on, I think it was pork before, and it was pretty good. So I figured why not try it on the fish. I'm gonna pretty much do it indirect. I'm gonna get the SNS firing pretty hot. Just kind of, I'm not gonna put these directly on the grates just because of easier flipping. I'm gonna put them on some non-stick aluminum foil just to try to keep them intact. Cooking to 145 degrees, that's gonna be it, but hopefully with the high heat, we're gonna get a little bit of a crust on these and some nice good flavors. So see you on the grill. All right, let's get the fish on. I did put some aluminum foil on there in advance there. Gonna let this go just about 10 minutes this way. Grill's running a little above 400 it was, so, which is good. I wanna kinda get it up there and be hot over top of these things. So we'll bring it back maybe about 10 minutes, see how it looks. All right, so it's just been over 10 minutes. My timer went off and then I had to go get the temperature probe. So I know I'm just checking these out here. 126, these others are almost done here. 1/3, 142. That's actually almost, those two in the end are almost done. So gonna go a couple more, just a minute or two here, and I'm gonna double check them and then I'm actually gonna pull them off. All right, let's do a final check here, but I'm gonna probably pull at least two of them off. Try to make sure we're getting a better angle on the temperatures here. Yeah, those are done there. Not quite. And that's hot. And that's done. So I'm gonna pull the two end ones off. Let me throw another glove on because that fire's hot. Oh, that wasn't good. All right, so we won't show you pulling the last one off, but it's gonna go another about 4 or 5 minutes until that's done and that's coming off. As always, cheers. That was good. Boy, tell you what, here we are into the cook. Like striped bass, fresh caught in the ocean. I shouldn't say fresh caught, it was caught probably in spring. Sean, son-in-law, vacuum sealed for us, had in the freezer, pulled them out. I think I made a good choice using multi-tool from PS Seasonings because man, does it smell fantastic. When I said I pulled the first two off, so they were on about 12 to 13 minutes. The other one was on about 16 minutes. And had the grill running probably a little bit above 400 degrees. Just cooking over the top. I had it on aluminum foil, but it looks like it turned out nice. So can't wait to try this out. Jack's even gonna try some, so see how it tastes. Not much to see here for this, but nice white fish in the middle there. Back looks fine. Boy, that's good. What I even like about these PS seasoning ones, when we get into ones that are a little bit lower in salt, even though salt could be listed as the first ingredient, it's not overpowering it well. And I hit these pretty hard because I was wanted the flavor there, but I was worried about the salt. But man, actually, it tastes very good. So hopefully you like what you're seeing. Subscribe to the channel, click the little bell, get notifications, and we'll see you next time.